Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Mona High from St. Andrew, up against Glenmuir High from Clarendon. This is the 56th season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Mona High is represented by Anika Brown, Tyrese Nicely, Keyshawn Smith, and Kaim Barnaby. Glenmuir High is represented by Jordan Brown, Kesa Shaw, Yaima Pearson, and Lisanne McKenzie. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Mona High won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with Mona. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Mona, we begin with information technology. What was the name of the world's first computer?
First computer, Univac 1.
Yeah, say it again.
Univac 1.
Univac 1.
Incorrect. Electronic numerical integrator and compute, that's ENIAC. Glenmuir, information technology. What was the name of the world's first microprocessor?
Microchip.
Incorrect. Intel 4004. International affairs for Mona. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
P. Hegseth.
BKZ.
Yes. U.S. Secretary of Defense. International affairs. This one is for Glenmuir. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Christy Noem.
Correct. And literature for Mona. Which character in Dr. Seuss's Green Eggs and Ham won't eat green eggs and ham?
Sam.
Incomplete, or do we accept? Sam I Am. Literature, Glenmuir. What's the name of the pig in the book Charlotte's Web?
Squealer.
Incorrect. Wilbur. And Jamaican heritage for Mona. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Mischief come by the pound and...
Go by the ounce.
Correct. Jamaican heritage for Glenmuir. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Lightning no strike.
The same place twice.
Correct. Music for Mona. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Right, DKNY, all up in my eyes. You got a Prada bag with a lot of stuff in it.
Pharrell Williams.
Incorrect. Will Smith. Music for Glenmuir. Listen to this clip. Identify the group.
He makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body.
TLC.
Correct. French for Mona. What does the verb pour célébrer mean?
To pull someone.
No, to celebrate. French for Glenmuir. What does the verb monter mean?
To climb.
Correct. Theatre for Mona and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Ming Long.
Incorrect. Isabella Rossellini. And theatre and cinema for Glenmuir. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Olivia Colman.
Incorrect. Monica Barbaro. And art for Mona. Which 20th century French artist painted the 1913 work, The Dining Room in the Country?
French, you say. Edgar Degas, Clamonet, which one?
Claude Monet.
Claude Monet.
Incorrect. Pierre Bonnard. And art for Glenmuir. Which Australian artist painted the 1947 work, The Trial?
John Constable.
John Constable.
Incorrect. Sir Sidney Nolan. Sports for Mona. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Oh.
Alex Grimaldo.
Yeah, Alex Grimaldo. Alex Grimaldo.
Alex Grimaldo.
Yes, we'll accept. And sports for Glenmuir. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Declan Rice.
Declan Rice.
Correct. Principles of business, Mona. And that's it. No more time. End of the opening challenge. The scores: Mona High on 3, Glenmuir High on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.